forever evolving success story whose time has come. In 1924, Osaka Kinzoku Kogyo was founded and began production of radiator tubes for aircrafts. Daikin's history began with the manufacture of aircraft radiator tubes. 27 years later, Japan's first packaged air conditioner, the Mifujirator air conditioner, was developed successfully, and the foundation of Daikin air conditioners was established at this time. By the dusk of 20th century, Daikin became a preferred air conditioning name in households and commercial setups world over. Daikin's global ascent is akin to a humble kite transformation into a space-faring rocket. With a new mission statement, India. In 2000, Daikin Air Conditioning India Private Limited was established and embarked on a journey that transformed it into the people-driven, profitable force we know today. Daikin's India journey, from prominence to dominance, has been swift, earning its place as a leader of choice. The factory in Neemrana set new standards for a range of products catering to a localized market, manufacturing from residential air conditioning to industrial air solutions. From its engineering roots, Daikin has evolved into a marketing powerhouse where the balance of technology and strategy reign. Daikin's progress is a testament to its hunger for growth and innovation. It achieved #1 market position in India in 2015. Over the past few years, Daikin India's unwavering commitment to excellence has earned us a collection of coveted industry awards. These accolades stand as a testament to our dedication to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction. At the heart of our journey lies a commitment to uplift and empower the youth of India. Through the Japan-India Institute of Manufacturing Excellence, we are not just training minds, we are shaping futures. DJIME doesn't just impart skills, it fuels aspirations, it ignites dreams. Behind Daikin's success lies a passion-led vision, igniting its path toward excellence. Daikin India is weaving innovation into the fabric of modern India. Through the digital lens, Daikin enhances efficiency. Our products not only comfort but also save energy, embracing sustainability. India is going digital, and Daikin is leading the way. India's talents fuel the flame of innovation, increasing the purchasing power matched with burgeoning retail outlets. An unmatched combination of low cost plus high quality. With the new normal shaping up, India is moving to next level with a view to accelerate growth and create sustainable businesses for and beyond 2025. Over the next 3 decades, more than 350 million Indians will move into cities. Over the next 2 decades, more than $1.5 trillion investments have been planned for infrastructure. Rising affluence is the biggest driver of increasing consumption in India, where private consumption will increase 4 times by 2030. And the Indian government's initiatives have kept the country firmly on a robust growth trajectory. The Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, with stimulus of 15% of GDP, the Gati Shakti initiative with $1.5 trillion pledged to strengthen infrastructure, production-linked incentives with INR 50 billion boost. India stands on the threshold of manufacturing transformation with compelling advantages that set it apart in the South Asia Pacific region. Of late, India has been attracting multinational companies to shift a significant amount of their manufacturing activity to India. Reignited with a new momentum, Daikin embarks on its new journey as it completes 100 years of global excellence. 100 years of knowledge, experience and innovation all culminate into this new crown jewel of Daikin's manufacturing, the 3rd manufacturing facility of Daikin India in Andhra Pradesh. From the heart of Sri City, a new era dawns, a chapter of expansion, connection and global reach. Daikin India's state-of-the-art plant isn't just a manufacturing hub, it is a gateway to the world. As we set sail on these international waters, we are focused on exploring all avenues and making India a key exporting hub. At Daikin, Japanese brain collaborates seamlessly with Indian brawn, crafting a unique fusion of excellence. At our Sri City facility, every Daikin product, purpose-built for the needs of the world. A massive 135,000 square meter construction was completed in record 15 months of time, requiring 10,000 tons of prefab steel and 65,000 cubic meter of concrete. The Sri City plant is poised to be the biggest, largest HVAC factory in India and Southeast Asia Pacific. Our vision of achieving India to the world has never gotten closer. The Sri City plant boasts of Daikin's first AC compressor factory in India. And to power this all, there is an uninterrupted supply of 50 megawatts of electricity on a direct 15-kilometer long line. By focusing on people, process and products, we can lead the change in India's golden era. We are at the cusp of writing history of Daikin in India. Daikin India believes in the power of possibilities. Anything is possible within the Daikin ecosystem. Daikin India is a trailblazer, shaping the world of air conditioning. Thank you for joining us on this inspiring journey.